All right, everyone. This video is going to show you how to go to the judging section and figure out which films you do want to judge. So you'll start by signing in to the account, whether it be under your own or from the Pacific Grove Art Center's account. You're going to go to submissions, and then you're going to start by dealing with this box right here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to select the category that we're interested in screening. So for example, documentary, pet shorts, whatever. We're going to go ahead and do experimental. And then to make it easier, we're going to also go into advanced search. Advanced search is going to bring up the country of origin. Remember, we have an international section, so we're not looking for people to be submitting to a documentary, for example, with an international film. We'd like to put that into the international section so that there's more room for more local competition. So to do that, you're going to go into here, look up United States. There are a couple of additional ones like United States outlying islands and stuff like that. But first, just start with this one. You're going to apply your advanced search right there. And now we have both that with our special selection and our category selection. And so now it's listing all the films that are experimental shorts that were made in the United States. So we'll take this 2-minute film right here. We'll try this one. We'll click play. We'll watch it through. Yeah. All right, so this one looks really good, and I will judge this, but if I were to finish watching this,
I can have it.
Karen's going to help me judge it. We would first, if there were ever a situation where there was, it's obviously a scam, it's an ad, it's a weird film, you don't think it belongs, it's doing something crazy, it's saying something weird. It's AI, it's obviously it's not going to fit in the film festival and there's no sense in keeping it. You can always hit disqualified and that'll take it out of the running. But if it is something that you think is worth it or not worth it, you're going to decide first here between selected or not selected. And so this one, Karen's giving me the nod. We're going to give that a selection. It is going to then ask us to rate the project right here. We're going to go ahead and rate it. We're going to say originality, creativity was about a 6 or 7. So then the writing itself was about the same. Mm-hmm. Cinematography
was about an 8 or 9.
Was about a 9, and performances
8.
An 8 with the sound design.
You choose that one.
I would say it's about a 9. I think with an original score is pretty unique. So you're going to add any additional comments that you'd like to make. And then you would say, do you recommend this film? Is it a local film that you need to recommend? Is it award worthy? Do you not recommend it? I would say it's recommended. 7.6, not exactly sure if it's award worthy compared to some of the other films. I would say, is this a local film? No, it's not. Does this film utilize any copyrighted material?
Don't answer this.
No, I don't think it does. So then you create your rating. Your rating is saved. Now all the other judges can view your rating and understand it. And yeah, now it's been judged. You can go in there and edit the rating as well if you wanted to change something. And then make sure you update that so that the changes are reflected if you wanted to make an adjustment. But now if I go back to submissions, we will see that Plight has been judged. And there's the rating. This one's really good. I recommend it. That's your tutorial for today. Let us know if you have any other questions. Email or text Karen or myself, and we will help you figure out the voting process. Thank you.